The Cherry Baker Memorial Velodrome Newsreel presents the new UCI rules and you. Today's segment, the points race. There are new rules for the points race. Each intermediate sprint still awards 5, 3, 2, and 1 points for the first 4 riders across the line, but with the addition of double points on the last sprint. Our new points race looks like this. Intermediate sprints. First, 5 points. Second, 3 points. Third, 2 points. Fourth, 1 point. For the final sprint, the first 4 riders across the line are awarded the following. First, 10 points. Second, 6 points. Third, 4 points. Fourth, 2 points. Riders are awarded 20 points for lapping the field. Winner is determined by the rider with the most points overall. Now you know the rules of the points race at the Cherry Baker Memorial Velodrome. Happy racing to you!